There's 3 things that your boss doesn't want you to know about starting your own online business in 2022 so that you can live a happier, healthier and much more well-balanced lifestyle. Because 85% of people now, they're stuck in a job that they aren't satisfied with. They're waking up every day with anxiety that they're having to trade all their best time for money. But what do? How do you escape those golden handcuffs or jump off that 9 to 5 treadmill? Well, now more than ever, thousands of people with no previous experience, no tech skills and without any product ideas are jumping online, and they're realising that with the right mentorship and mindset that they can unimaginably change their life. Imagine for a second having the skills to earn 10 times or more your annual income just with the ideas that I've presented in my latest ebook, which is the beginner's guide to setting up online. To get your copy, all you got to do is click the link below. Back in 2007, I was diagnosed with a tumour in the throat. It was removed, leaving me with little to no voice, as you can probably gather at the moment. I had real difficulty eating. My mother, however, supported me throughout my recovery and 6 further operations. Unfortunately though, she passed suddenly in 2016 of sepsis, and that was it. I was through wasting any more time. Everything I did from that moment was to honour her memory and make the rest of my family proud by following my dreams. And in 2021 I was able to lose a load of weight, but I wanted more. I wanted more time and more financial freedom. And I was on YouTube and a video just like this popped up from a chap called Mike. He was a regular guy, over 50, no previous online experience, who had been able to completely replace his income within 6 months, and now he had 3 online businesses working less than 10 hours a week. And that was exactly what I was screaming out for. He was kind enough to send me some free training, explaining that with an internet connection and a laptop and the right strategy, of course, you're in business anywhere around the world. And here we are a few months later, and I can guarantee you that the methods I've laid out in this ebook, and it's less than 15 pages long, and you can keep it for free. All you gotta do is click the Learn More button and drop me your details. It highlights that unfortunately this is not a get rich quick scheme, but it will offer you skills for life so that you can earn money in your sleep whilst your business is on autopilot, and it can really change the quality of your life once you've got these skills in your back pocket. Just picture what you could be doing with your life, with your day, if it was happier, healthier and much more well balanced, not just for you but for the relationships with your family and maybe even your friends. Of course, you could carry on being frustrated in your current employment or your current circumstances in life, but if you are in the right mindset and you're ready to change, as a special bonus today, I won't just send you my ebook, I'll also send you the free training video series that got me started straight to your inbox. All you need to do is click the Learn More button in and around the screen, drop me your details and I'll send you the info straight to your inbox. And if no one has told you today, you're the legend, you're the one with the power to live life on your own terms. Thanks for listening, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.